Talk to me a little bit also about what demand looks like in oil in the second half of the year, given what we've heard with China, which is disappointment in terms of stimulus.
Yes. We are still seeing that after COVID, there's a rebound of oil demand, and we expect this year global oil demand will increase slightly more than 2 million barrels per day, and about 60% of this demand growth will come from China only. If the Chinese economy rebounds stronger than we assume, because we think it's a more sluggish growth, then the demand will be even higher, which means, looking at the demand-supply picture, second half of this year, given the cuts some of the producing countries are going to carry out, we may see some tightness in the market second half.
But are you expecting that to happen, or are you expecting the Chinese economy to disappoint, even possibly severely?
I think even with the current pace, we think, as we call it, sluggish, but sluggish for Chinese standards, sluggish, not for European standards or French standards that we are here. Even with the sluggish ones, we think more than 2 million barrels per day of oil demand growth, which could together put together with the production cuts, it may bring the markets in a tight manner.
Yeah. Mr. Birol, talk to me also about gas prices. They've been creeping back up, actually, in Europe. What do you see for the next couple of months, or when we get into the winter season, where that's crunch time?
Yes. So it's very good that you asked this, because when I talk with the government leaders in Europe, especially, they are a bit relaxed because we have a lot of gas in the storage now.
Too relaxed.
Too relaxed. Because we have a lot of gas in our storages, but there are two major questions here that we have to be very careful. One, whether or not, again China, coming to China, if Chinese economy is strong, they will buy a lot of LNG from the markets. And this year, as it happens, the amount of new additional LNG coming to markets is one of the lowest in the history, and there will not be enough LNG for Europe left to buy. This is one risk. The second risk is if we see a winter which is very harsh, it can also be a big problem. So, again, European government leaders, business people, citizens, we shouldn't be too relaxed. Just looking at the current gas storage levels, we may see the gas prices which are lower now to come up higher.